Hi, this is Daniel Ransom, Instructional Services Librarian here at CCA, and this is a short video to demonstrate how you can use YouTube to automatically generate captions for video content that you created. You can use it to generate the captions automatically, but then edit those captions, and YouTube will provide you with a downloadable caption file that you can then pair with that video in Moodle or VoiceThread or other products that we have that would allow you to host that video. So even if you're not sharing the video via YouTube itself, you can still be using it as a tool. So right now I'm on the CCA Libraries YouTube channel. That's the channel that I'm going to be using to upload videos and manage videos. As a CCA faculty member, of course, you have a Google account affiliated with your CCA email address. You might want to use that to keep it separate from any personal use you have of YouTube. Here we see some of the videos that we have already uploaded to the CCA Libraries channel. If I wanted to upload a new video, I would look for the YouTube Studio. By going into the YouTube Studio, I can now click where it says create or on this upload button, and I can upload a video file that I have already generated. Once I select a file, choose it to upload, it will start uploading that video file. When you are using YouTube specifically to auto-generate captions, one thing you're gonna have to keep in mind is it will take it a while to actually process the video and include captions on it. So your video will be uploaded to YouTube and available in YouTube before the automatically generated captions are done. Depending on the length of your video, it can take more or less time. This video is about 3 minutes long. I uploaded it earlier, and it took I think it was about a half an hour for it to actually generate the auto captions. So get it uploaded and then go do something else, come back to YouTube later to actually find the captions. I've actually already uploaded this video, so I'm going to cancel out of this process and go to my videos list. Under my videos, you'll see the same video that I was about to upload again is here. And it's the new student orientation video. And if I click on the thumbnail for that particular video, it will show me the details for it. What I'm looking for here is the subtitles, which is over on the left. I go here, and there's several different lines available. One would be if you wanted to manually add your own videos. Perhaps you have a transcript, the script that you read from when you created that video. You could actually go ahead and upload that without even waiting for it to auto-generate your captions. The automatically generated captions are going to appear here where it says automatic. And then you can go to edit those under this little 3-dot icon. It says edit on Classic Studio, and that will take you to the editing tool where you can fix the little errors that it tends to make. Typically, you'll notice that it doesn't know how to capitalize the things that you want to capitalize. So it'll leave out punctuation. It might, depending on how clearly the language is when it's trying to transcribe it, it may get some of the words wrong. It may get some other details wrong. So if you have the time, it's really great to go in and provide some basic edits, kind of clean it up a little bit. I actually already did that. That's why there's a third line item. This is the edited version of the automatic captions that I have already created. So if I were to click edit on that one, you'll see that, again, there's a set of captions here, but in this case, these are the ones that I've cleaned up. This will be the default because I have edited and YouTube knows that I have worked on these captions. This will be the default anytime somebody who's watching a video clicks on the closed caption icon on the video. Now, if I want to take this video off of YouTube and share it on Moodle or in VoiceThread, in addition to downloading the video, I'm going to need to download the caption file. The captions don't come with the video file. And this is actually the same screen I would do that from. So after I've edited my captions, made any changes that I want to make, there's this little actions button. And if I click on that, it will give me the option to download these captions in one of 3 formats. So it has VTT, SRT, and SBV. If you are planning to upload this video directly to Moodle, you will want to choose VTT because that is the only caption format that Moodle accepts. If you are uploading it to VoiceThread instead of Moodle, VoiceThread's a little more flexible and you can choose different caption styles. The default, if you might notice that you can also download video subtitles from other screens. For example, from the video details screen, there is an option to download captions. But when you do that version, it doesn't give you the option of the file type. It will automatically use the default file type, and it's one of the file types that Moodle does not accept. So you're better off downloading the captions from this Classic Studio interface where it actually gives you the choice. So I can go ahead and download my captions. It's going to save that file to my hard drive. Going back to the video screen and the details, this is where I could go under the 3 dots and now download my video file. So it's the same video file that I uploaded to YouTube. The only purpose was I was trying to get it to generate the captions for me. And now I've got both of these files. So now I could take these files and put them together in my Moodle or VoiceThread. I mentioned both of those because Moodle has an upper limit on its file size. You can't put a video that's longer or larger than 1.6 gigabytes into Moodle, but VoiceThread has a cap of 3 gigabytes. So if you have a larger video file, VoiceThread is a better host. But if it's smaller, this video would be small enough, you can just upload it directly to Moodle. And we'll do a different instructional video about that step of the process. Okay, great, thanks.